Hello everyone, I'm Leonard Lobel, inviting you to join me in September for Data Platform Virtual Summit 2022. If you're a data professional, you will not want to miss out on this global event. This will be my fourth time speaking at DPS, and I'm very excited to be presenting once again, along with more than 100 other speakers that we've got lined up. So what's so special about DPS? Well, for starters, it's organized by community leaders that really care and work hard to bring world-class content to tech professionals just like you, globally. And we'll be running 5 editions in different time zones, so wherever you are, it'll be easy for you to join in. This summit will cover the full range of topics across the entire Microsoft data and analytics platform. So whether it's SQL Server, Azure SQL or NoSQL, Synapse, AI or machine learning, we've got pre-cons and breakout sessions covering the data technologies that you care about the most. And our speakers are among the world's top leading industry experts. If you would like to join them in presenting at DPS, just submit. If you've got something good to share, our organizers will be happy to select your session. So don't wait, sign up today at dataplatformgeeks.com/DPS2022. And if you'd like to submit a session, head over to the Call for Speakers page by tacking on /call for speakers.